Hey, what's going on, guys? Calvin Russell here, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Listen, don't get caught up out here overpaying or doing too much to get approved at a dealership, okay? You need to watch the How to Buy a Car or Lease a Car course. It's already a part of the 850 Club Elite. Shout out to the 850 Club Elite members. But here's the deal. Too many of you, and I see it on your credit reports, you're just saying yes to anything at these dealerships. And some of it is on the dealership, and I'm going to show you guys how to avoid that, how to walk inside the dealership and you control the situation instead of the situation controlling you. Instead of banks telling you what they're going to give you, you're not necessarily telling the banks what they're going to give you, but you already have the right expectations and you already know because of the way you set up your foundation and how you know how to negotiate, and you know exactly what you need to do to put yourself in the best position possible. Okay, that's what it's all about. And some of it, like I mentioned, is on the dealerships, but some of it is also on you, okay? You can't blame the dealership if these are the options that you have based on your credit score and then you're mad at them. Well, to be honest with you, that's on you, okay? And so that means your expectations aren't set properly, or you're put in a position where you feel like you got to take whatever they give you, and that's when they lay the hammer down. You have to reverse that situation, okay? But in this course, I show you exactly how to negotiate, exactly some methods that you can use to save money, how to set the expectations, how to get pre-approved. You need to check out this course. It is a part of our 850 Club Elite. The link is down below. But listen, we cannot go into 2022 overpaying for cars and not having the right terms, not understanding what we signed up for. You got to learn this stuff before you go. It's like anything else in life. I'll see you inside the 850 Club Elite.